Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can set your iPhone alarm to vibrate only mode. So you don't want any ringtone to pop up, you want an vibrator mode so that you can only like put it on a vibrate mode. So first thing you want to do is you just need to keep holding your phone button here on your iPhone 16 Pro Max and put your phone into silent mode. Okay, the second thing you need to do is just go to your clock app, open your alarm app, and you need to open your sound app and turn it up, and from here you can actually put it to none, which means that you don't need any ringtone to pop up. And from haptics you need to go here and you can select different kind of haptics which you want while the alarm should popping up. If you want to do it on your ringtone mode or on a power mode, you can also do that and put your phone or iPhone alarm to vibrate only mode by doing this. I hope this video helping out in like putting your phone iPhone alarm to vibrate only mode, and this video sorted your issue out. If you still have any other question, just please leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.